on, slow down.
Oh, you hooked it, babe.
Uh-oh.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going fishing with my girls. There's Layla, there's Sophia. She's chilling back there like she ain't even looking. But look at Layla. You ready to go fishing, Layla? You are? You ready to go? Okay. So we're going to go fishing and have a good day. It's kind of like an off day. I designated this whole day just for this trip. So let's get into the video. Just to give you guys a little perspective on what's going on today. Well, not really perspective, but we woke up at 4:20 this morning. We were out the house by 5, well, maybe 4:30, 10 minutes. We were out the house by 5, and then we have to be where we're going at 8. So it's a 3-hour drive to go on this fishing trip, but you know, it's gonna be fun. I just wanted to tell you guys that we've been driving for 3 hours. Do you have anything to say over there?
No, I don't.
Does it even focus on you?
No, it's like a really, really, really bad, what's it called?
Exposure?
Yeah.
Well, the sun is right there. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Sophia, I know you don't see it yet because she's back there chilling on her phone. She's the most excited about this trip. So that is exciting. Layla, she's just being a goof. She's just being a goof. Let me show you, look at her. She's just a goof. But yeah, hopefully she don't make our day miserable by being scared of the boat or something. But we'll see. I definitely record it.
She's showing it back. Fish are you gonna catch today? Like, what's your goal? 5 fishes? Nice. How many fish are you gonna catch? 2. She said 2.
You're gonna catch 2?
Yeah. Are we gonna catch 2 or 5? And Mommy's probably gonna catch.
I'm gonna catch 7.
No, she's not. She's gonna catch this much. She's gonna catch. Yes. She's gonna get 0.
Okay, Sophia, don't get all big headed now. I'm gonna catch 7.
Yeah.
A lot of times they'll eat it when it's falling. What happens is you won't feel it. Keep it just like that. Keep that rod up. Basically in your wrist.
Get it. Oh, that's a big one. It's moving. It might be a blue. Look at you.
You pull down for me, just like that.
Get it, Sophia. You got it. You got it. Man, how many did you catch so far, Sophia?
I don't know.
You don't know. It's just a good amount. You got it. You got it. You're doing good. Look at that fish. See, that's why those. What?
That's your baby.
Now you gotta take the hook out.
Yeah, take the hook out.
Mine's bluefish, Mom.
Mine's is bigger.
Blue.
Oh, y'all gonna do that?
Which one's bigger, Layla?
Yours.
Yours?
Mommy's.
Oh, okay.
Right there. See that orange thing out there? You see it out there? Oh, it's going down. Little fish is pulling it. All right, you're just gonna hold this one tight, okay? Don't put it down. Hold on tight, okay? All right.
Hold on
One
to it,
right,
baby.
we'll put one hand, put that hand right here.
There you
Boom,
go.
And then put that hand right here. There you go, just like that. Now hold on tight, and you just hold that, okay? Show me how fast you can reel it.
Got you a fish
Keep
on there,
reeling, keep
Layla.
reeling, keep going, fast, fast, fast. Atta girl,
Good job.
swimming at us.
Good job.
Keep reeling,
You're doing good.
keep reeling. You got it. Don't look at me, look at your fish. Go. Here he comes. Look in the water right there. Look at your fish coming. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. See where the line is?
Oh, look at the fish.
That's your fish.
Reel it in.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. He's gonna go crazy. Hold on. All right, keep reeling. Keep going. Let's get him up here. So
Reel it. You caught a fish. You want to hold it?
Job.
That's funny. Hey, you can say you caught a fish.
Good job.
Scared.
Don't be scared.
Scared. It's just a fish. You don't want to hold it?
This is a fish that Layla caught.
What kind of fish is that?
Blue fish, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a bluefish. Look at you, boy.
We're captain. We are captain. You know how you do?
Layla.
Careful.
That's why they're hitting us.
Look at that.
All right, and then we're gonna take them right this way, okay? All right, here we go, here we go. We're gonna go like this, right into the boat.
Oh,
Boom.
Get in the boat. Yeah.
Fishy. Oh.
Go get that one.
Yeah. What kind of fish do you got?
In the cooler box.
There you go.
Another one.
So that concludes the fishing day. I'm sure we'd do another talking segment in the car, but we caught some good fish, as you've seen. Caught a lot of good fish. It was a very good day. The girls really had a good time. You see it's a little nippy out here, but it was a very good day. These birds really want the fish we caught. It's hilarious. So yeah, we'll see you whenever we're heading out, and I will talk to you then. Okay guys, so we were in the car. We're done. We fished. We conquered. She killed it. She slayed the fish. Sophia back here that you see sleeping, she is cold out, done. Layla, she's done. We had a great time. What do you want to say?
It was a great time. I'm exhausted.
That's it?
It was a great time. I'm glad that we were able to take the time to do it.
Right.
We've been talking about taking this trip since November, I think.
Yeah, we've been talking about it a long time, and we finally took the time to do it. If you don't stop the world and just do it, there will never be time, so you just have to make the time, especially when it comes to family time. And I said time a lot. Anyways, with that, if you are ever in the Tampa area, St. Petersburg area, reach out to Fish Tampa Flats, William Burback. He will definitely take care of you, and he will always, and I mean always, put you on the fish. There's never a time where he won't put you on the fish. There's always, I don't know, he just never fails us. We use him all the time for the show that I work on. It's literally the guy, it's literally the guy we use, and he kills it every time. So before we end this video, I want to tell you a story about a drone situation while we were out there. Watch the drone, baby. Oh, you hooked it, babe.
Uh-oh.
Don't move.
No, don't move. Don't move. Here, hold on. Hold on.
Up. Should I get I was flying my drone, I was trying to get some shots of them casting, you know, catching fish from above, top water shots, you know, some cool shots. So while the drone was up there, I told Jesenia, you know, don't cast right there, I'm gonna move my drone so you don't hit it. And what did you do?
I hit it.
She hit the drone, so the drone, I mean, you know, when you're flying a drone, you look at the
I was just trying to get a good shot. You know, sometimes Ronnie will throw cast right and it'll hit like the lens. That's all I'm trying to do.
Yeah, on a drone, that's a bad idea. So I was looking at my phone, you know, flying the drone, trying to get the shots that I wanted, and all I hear is zzz, and the drone's freaking out. You know, it's overcompensating, so it, you know, don't fall in the water or fall out the sky. It would have went straight in the water too. So anyways, after I calmed down and was done freaking out, me and William Burback, the captain, we slowly brought it back and I caught it and saved the day, I guess, because that would have sucked if it would have went in the water. So that's the story I have about the drone. That's like the second big deal, big situation that almost screwed up my whole day. But other than that, today was amazing. It was, you know how when you plan a trip and you have this thought in your head of how it's gonna go? Today's trip went way better than what I was thinking. I knew it was going to be an awesome trip, an awesome day, but man, it was just a great day of fishing. It was fun, and you know, I really don't care for fishing, but I knew my daughter, Sophia, she loves it. When we was in the Keys, she caught one little fish and she was hooked, so I knew I had to bring her. She had a good time. I know she don't mind. She loves fishing as well. Jesenia, she likes it. It's fun.
It was a good time.
It's relaxing.
Sophia did really good, considering, you know.
She did.
It
Sophia
was a little
did.
nippy, a little cold this morning.
Yep.
But she had a great time. We had a goal before we got there of how many fishes we were going to catch. I had a goal to catch 7. Sophia had a goal to catch 5. And Layla had a goal to catch 2. And Layla stuck to that goal because after she caught 2 fishes, she was done.
Two fish. It's 2 fish, not fish.
Sorry. She had, after she caught those 2 fish, she was done. So she, after that, she was done.
Yeah, she got on the phone and just chilled. She was not going to do anything else. She caught 2 fish and she was legit finished.
But she let us have a good time.
She did. She didn't fuss or
Yeah.
anything. Because usually Layla, when she gets in a mood, everybody's going to be, the whole day is going to be ruined. And she don't get in those moods a lot, but you know, when she does, she does. And it's, you know, the whole day's ruined.
Towards the end, she kept asking me to hold her, because usually when she wants me to hold her, it's because she wants to take a nap.
Yep, nap time.
So she asked me like 2 or 3 times, "Mommy, come hold me, come hold me."
Yep.
And look at her out there, knocked out.
She's knocked out. She is gone. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I should have had footage for you guys to see whenever the drone was doing that. You probably already seen it. It was a scary moment. I thought I definitely lost the drone, but it was kind of funny. You know, now looking back at it, it's funny, but it was definitely a freaky moment. But thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button. you know, all the buttons you're supposed to hit. And I will see you in the next video.